Hi, in this video, I'll show you to enable fast charging on your Android phone. If your device supports fast charging, turning this feature on can help your battery recharge much more quickly when using a compatible fast charger and cable. The exact menu names may vary slightly depending on your phone's brand and Android version, but the overall process is very similar. Step 1. Unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. This is where you can manage your phone's battery, charging, and other system settings. Step 2. Scroll down through the Settings menu and tap Battery, Battery and Device Care, or Device Care, depending on your phone model. On some brands, you may need to tap More Battery Settings to see additional charging options. Step 3. Look for a section called Charging Settings, More Battery Settings, Battery Information, or something similar. Open it to view the available charging features for your device. Step 4. Locate the fast charging toggle. If your phone also offers super fast charging, turbo charging, or fast wireless charging, you can enable those as well if your charger supports them. Tap the switch to turn fast charging on. Step 5. Connect your phone to a compatible fast charger and charging cable. When charging begins, you may see a message such as fast charging, super fast charging, or charging rapidly on the lock screen or battery status, confirming the feature is active. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled fast charging on your Android phone. Your device should now charge faster whenever you use a supported charger and cable, helping you spend less time waiting and more time using your phone.